So talking about data in your interview and in your interviewing and your hiring and your onboarding process, you want to be looking at how can I collect information on this, and how can I make the information usable so that I can improve my hiring processes, make them more efficient, hire better people, and that's the beginning of the process. So you want to be looking at how are we reviewing, storing, and responding to applicants. Do we have a standard time frame that we're responding to applicants? Do we have a standard way that we respond to applicants? This is our way of showing them we're a professional and you want to work here. And it starts with resume, application, all those processes. You also want to have a standard process around viewing resumes, because at least having 2 people look at them if there's anything in question, because people see different things and everybody's got their own perception of what they're seeing. Having consistent processes around that's really helpful. Same thing about interviewing processes. Standardize it. It should be standardized. Now, granted, you can change things here and there, but have your set of standard questions. Just like he was saying over there. I'm sorry, I didn't get your name. About the, yes? Santiago. Just like he's saying, have some standard questions that you ask that you can gauge people's responses. Of course, onboarding. Have a standard system of onboarding. Get your people brought up to speed the same way over and over again. And what happens is you'll start to notice efficiencies and inefficiencies, right? When you see those things, then you can make changes. Again, we're a software company, and we're making some big changes right now to our onboarding process and to the way that we bring new people on to our software. And it's funny, I'm primarily in charge of creating these new processes. And I'm sitting at my desk and I'm like, oh, this is great. This is going to be so cool. This is going to be so helpful and makes things so much easier for people. And then I go to my first meeting, first implementation meeting, trying to show the new onboarding golden whatever process, and it's like you were walking into a brick wall. And then you can modify it, right? You have a standard, a benchmark to start with, and then you can modify it. But you have to start somewhere, and if you're not tracking it, and if you're not doing things consistently, you got nothing to go from and nothing to look to improve.